Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is having a good day today. If you're in New Jersey or New York or somewhere on the Northeast, I hope you're ready for the nor'easter that is coming. I'm at home. I've been working from home, but I just checked the mailbox and I have my December 2020 paper pumpkin. Got 2 boxes here. I've been ordering 2 boxes lately for November and December, October and November, excuse me. I ordered 2 boxes and I was just going to do that for the holidays, but I shared my second box with a family member, someone who is new to stamping and paper crafting. So I decided that I was going to continue to buy 2 boxes every month and then just bless someone with my second box. So that is my plan. If that changes, I will let you know. But as of right now, I'm going to work on 1 box and I'm going to bless someone with the second box. So let's open our paper pumpkin, December 2020. We have our Stampin' spot. It is Rich Razzleberry. This is a very deep color. I have the full-size stamp pad, so I always give this away. We have our Very Comforting stamps. Let's see, we got a nice bear here. We have some flowers here. We have some leaves here. Oh, this says get well soon. That's good. I don't think I have a get well soon stamp. You are on my mind, and then hooray. So cute stamps. I like the bear a lot. And then we have a little teaser. Artistry blooms, let your creativity blossom. Looking for a way to add color to your paper pumpkin projects? The Artistry Blooms Suite. This is in the next catalog, I believe. The Artistry Blooms Suite collection has a selection of colorful products you can use to brighten up your cards with double-sided pattern paper, floral stamps, sparkly sequins, and glimmery paper in rainbow colors. You can use this suite to add flair to your monthly kit or create custom cards of your own. And the Artistry Blooms Suite collection, and the item number is 154150, and if you're in Canada, the price is $99. If you're in the United States, the price is $73. You can order online, or if I am your demonstrator, you can order with me, and you can use this host code for December, and everyone who uses this host code to order will be entered for a prize drawing that I do monthly. So this is a little teaser, something to get your creative juices flowing. And on this side is the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. This became available, I believe, in September 2020. This is a machine that helps you cut out dies and do embossing so that your paper is textured. There is a smaller one that will be available in January. It's available now to demonstrators, but on January 5th, the smaller Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine will be available as well. So 2 things to keep in mind as you are shopping for the holidays. We have some, I don't know if this is Pool Party. This is a nice color of tissue paper. Let's move my box out the way. I tried to keep my tissue paper in good condition so I can reuse it. So let's see here. Get my scissors. And I actually have a get well card I need to send, so this this kit came at the right time. So we have dimensionals, of course. I think dimensionals come every month. So this is one sheet of large dimensionals. We have some die cuts here. We have the bear, the raccoon, we got some koalas, and then there's a banner here. I guess you can, maybe you can stamp in between. So we have one. They're pretty thick, so that's one. 2, 3, we have 4 sheets of those. And then we have some envelopes that have where you would write the address. Let's see how many of these we have. Oh, and they're lined. That's cool. Nice stripes there. Some rich raspberry. I think so. I see some pumpkin pie, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so we have 12 the line envelopes. So cute. Oh, look at these. So we have some card bases. This looks like the rich raspberry. Then we have some gold foiling there. And we have 4 of these. And we have some more die cuts. Looks like they could be tags. 2 on that sheet. And we have 4 sheets. And then we have a nice, this looks like mint macaron, maybe, pear pizzazz. I'll look, when I open this, I'll look. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, these are nice as well. And we have 4 of these. Some more die cuts that we can stamp on with gold. They have a gold outline. Let's see, that's 6, is 9. 6 rectangles, 3 circles. 1, we have 2 sheets of those. And then we have some presents, some flowers, a cupcake, and a heart with some gold foiling, and we have 1 sheet of that. And I always keep these when I mail something, mail out a package. So these are the instructions. But these are ideas that Stampin' Up! Has already come up with for you. You can follow these instructions or you can create something on your own. So cute. They're sharing the cupcake there. There's some flowers in the bear's arms. Raccoon sending love. Get well soon. And here are the instructions. And our coordinating colors. Basic gray. Calypso coral. This is Calypso coral right here. This is Calypso coral. Cinnamon cider. Look, that's the color of the bear. Cinnamon cider. Daffodil delight. That's the present here. Rich raspberry. This card here is rich raspberry. Soft seafoam. That's this green. This is soft seafoam and white. So that is our kit for December 2020. If you do not subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, I encourage you to do so. It's if you have some young children in your life and they need a creative outlet, the Paper Pumpkin box comes to your mailbox once a month. $22 for 1 month. Shipping is included. There's usually enough to make 12 to 15 cards. Everything is included. There you get a stamp set, you get the ink spot, and during your first Paper Pumpkin box, you get this stamping block. So everything is included. You don't have to feel like you have to go out and buy anything. There's no commitment. If you see after a month or 2 that you don't like the box or you don't need the box, you can cancel it anytime and there's no penalty. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy crafting.